Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a product that I got in the mail today. The company did send this to me for free, but I'm going to give it an honest opinion. Just like always, I don't make up anything just because I'm sending something for free. This one is the Bearded Blue Classic Ultra Thin Bluetooth Speaker by Bearded Blue, and I think it had a model number on it. No, it didn't. I love the packaging though. It's hard plastic. Pretty heavy packaging. There's the back. It's got some tape on the side, just on both sides, or on all four sides, that you have to cut to get the plastic open. So, and it should, it's got the instructions and a cable, and let's see, how do you get this part off? Yeah, I just didn't cut my tape good. Okay, like I said, pretty good size, pretty good packaging in there. So there's that part. This is the, you get the instructions on how to use it. Typical instructions for nowadays, where it's very you know, quick, but it looks like it's pretty detailed. You get a USB cable, and you get a audio cable to plug into headphones or something if you don't have Bluetooth. Then the device, the speaker itself, is right there. Wow, that's a very sturdy speaker. I mean, it's not heavy like wow, that's like a brick, but it's heavier than a cheap Bluetooth speaker is. I mean, it's made out of metal. It feels like metal at least. If it's not metal, it's really good plastic. But I'm pretty sure that's metal because it's awfully shiny on the parts that it's not. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom to set it up on. The buttons look like they're all rubberized. I won't hit the power button just yet, but you have a pause button right here, and I'll take a picture of this better. You've got a plus and a minus button, and then you've got a power on off button here. This is your speaker in the back, and there's a speaker in the front. And then you've got some other speakers in the grill parts here. On the side here you have, looks like it goes into a power plug. I'll have to look on the connection. Let's see, number, I'm not sure what that is. We'll figure it out. But anyway, you have a USB port, and then this actually supports a micro SD card that you can plug in right here, and then it also has the headphone jack right here. I'm not sure. It looks like a power plug, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's just air to get into the speakers or something. I'm not sure. Well, let's see if it actually comes on right now. There we go. And it's got a little blue light that showed up right there. And let me see. Let's see how to pair it with our phone. Bluetooth connection. So, put my phone out here. Let's see, go to Bluetooth. And it's searching. And here it is. It says Bearded Blue Classic on my phone. Right there at the bottom. So I'm going to touch that. And that should be pretty much it. There you go. It made the sound, let you know we're all paired. So now let me go to some music. I've got And we've got Amazon Music. And I think the last time I played anything, let's see. Let's play techno. Not bad. And the plus minus actually changes, skip songs back and forth. I wonder how you do the volume. Okay, you hold it for volume. Let me get a better. We'll just pick top pop. We gotta have something better than that. So you hold it down and you get the volume up. And I don't have mine. I'm gonna turn my phone all the way up. Gets pretty loud. Not much as far as the music goes there. Can't play anything longer than a certain time on YouTube, so I'm trying to kind of hit it a little differently. Turning it down. And the ding means you're all the way up or all the way down. So. And you got the pause button over here. That works really well. I mean, that sounds really good. It sounds, you know, it's got really good sound coming from it, from such a small device. It's pretty cool. Turn the valve, you just hold down the power button and it turns it off. Like I said, I think that's just for air. I'll have to look to be sure, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna charge this completely up. So I'm gonna literally let it charge overnight. This is straight out of the package, so it may not be fair to it if I did it now, but I'm gonna charge it up all the way overnight. And then tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the music at normal volume, not super loud, not super low, just at a normal listening volume, like right in the middle. And I'm gonna time how long the battery lasts, because I think it's important to know if you're gonna listen to a small set of Bluetooth speakers like this, you know exactly how long the battery lasts in it. I wanna see how long it'll actually play wirelessly through Bluetooth. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I will get this charging, and I'll catch you in just a few seconds, and it'll be another day for me. Okay, this Bluetooth speaker also has the ability to make and receive calls. So I'm going to call Tammy, and we will see how it looks. So I'm just gonna dial it on my phone. It's ringing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I am testing out this Bearded Blue Bluetooth speaker. How does it sound?
It sounds like you're on speakerphone.
It does. Well, makes sense. Yeah. So I'm kind of.
I mean, I can hear you.
Right. So it kind of sounds like I'm in the bucket a little bit, but not too bad.
It sounds like you know when someone makes a call from the bathroom and you can tell they're in the bathroom.
Right.
That's what it sounds like. It sounds like you're in like a closed room on speakerphone. It doesn't sound bad though.
So you can understand me fine?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just fine, yeah.
Well, cool. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna hang up from you, and I'm gonna get you to call me back, and then I'm gonna answer it.
Oh, okay.
All right, so call me back.
All right.
So let's see how it works when I answer a call. It says you can answer a call. It says press the power button. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, that worked pretty good. Okay. Well, that works pretty neat. You can make and receive calls, and thank you, Tammy, for helping me out.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, I'm sure me trying to answer that by putting the power button was just something I was doing wrong. I'll have to look at it again. I'll have to read the directions better. But you can see it works pretty good. It's very clear sound. She said she can hear me fine, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, now I'm gonna go charge this up and do the speaker test. Just wanted to show you, I plugged it into my USB charger. You can also plug it into the computer, but there's the charge indicator light right there, and you can see it's lighting up amber. When it's fully charged, it will go off, and it'll just, no light will be on at all. This is a reset, to reset the device right here, this little hole. I've got it plugged into the USB again. That's the auxiliary and the micro SD card. I found out to answer a call when you're not actually listening to music, you hit the pause button very quickly and it answers your call on Bluetooth. So anyway, charging it up overnight, and tomorrow I'll do a battery test. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the power test now, the battery test, see how long it lasts. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna have my phone hooked up Bluetooth, not wired, Bluetooth directly into it. And then we're gonna do some stuff in here and put up Christmas decorations actually. And when it goes off, then I'll look at my time, we'll see how long the battery actually lasted. Okay, wanted to give you an update. It's been going for 3 hours and 44 minutes. And that's about the loudness I've had it the whole time. And it's still going strong. That's the island greeting that we send to you. Okay, the battery finally died. It is almost 9 hours of battery life on this thing. So you can see it really did last a really long time. So I've been quite impressed with it. Yeah, hold on one second. So overall, really good Bluetooth speaker. Definitely worth buying if you want to. I'll put a link to their website below and where you can buy this. And it's an excellent little speaker if you've got like a party or a gathering or something. I had it at normal volume. You can have it much louder and last, you know, like if you had it twice as loud, it probably lasts half as long. So I hope you enjoyed this review and kind of a demo, and I will catch you next time.